Now the next one is the minimum number of times a fair coin needs to be tossed so that probability of getting at least 2 heads is at least 0.96. Now getting a heads, it is success. This probability is 1 by 2 and getting a tails is 1 by 2. And suppose n is number of times we are tossing this coin. Now we need to find this probability that x is greater than or equal to 2. Now we can write this as 1 minus probability of x less than 2. So it will be this 1 minus probability x equals 0 minus probability x equals 1. Now it says this probability is at least 0.96. So we can write 1 minus, now probability of x equal to 0 is nc0 1 by 2 to the power n minus nc1 1 upon 2 to the power n, and it should be greater than or equal to 0.96. Now we can write this as n plus 1 upon 2 to the power n. It should be less than or equal to 0.04. Now we can write this as 100 into n plus 1 should be less than or equal to 2 to the power of n plus 2. Now this is greater than 100, so that means 2 to the power n plus 2, it should be greater than 100. So basically value of n, it should be greater than or equal to 5. Now we take n as 5. Now it will be this 600, and here will be this 2 to the power 7, which is 128, not possible. So we take 6. Now since it is greater than 500 here, so here this value, it should be at least 8. So if we try n as 8, then we'll get 8 plus 1, 900, and which is less than 2 to the power 10, which is 1024. So minimum value of n is simply 8. So the minimum number of times this fair coin must be tossed is 8, and that is the answer to this question.